Today I'd like to go over our Naviate Landscape Create Dynamic Lineset. By creating a dynamic lineset, we can simply choose a feature line and where we would like to apply a grading template to it. In this case, I'm going to hit enter and apply it to my entire feature line. Here we can come through and choose a preset grading template. In this case, I'm going to choose curb and gutter type C. After we see that it's applied to our feature line, we can choose whether or not we would like to reverse that grading to match what we want. Once we apply it, we can then make adjustments to our feature line, and our dynamic line set will automatically adjust with it. If for some reason we make adjustments to our feature line that it can't calculate, notice that our dynamic line set will stay in place and not crash our drawing. We can also come through and edit our dynamic line set. Here we can come through and make adjustments like changing the offset, elevational difference, or any series of other options. Here notice as it shows a preview of what's going to happen before we hit apply. And if we like, we can go ahead and switch complete grading templates altogether. In this case, I'm going to create a traffic island with my solids. Notice how it asks to prompt you for a target surface change. Here I'm going to come through and select my finish grade and then hit apply. We can also reverse those and flip those. Notice once again as it maintains its dynamic link within the set as I make modifications to the feature line. I can easily select my solid and view it in 3D. If we make modifications to the feature line, our solid automatically gets updated as well. This is a small portion of our dynamic line sets.